Okay, this is to show you how to use the Scholastic News Learn at Home page. On your Google Classrooms, you'll click on Week 1. You'll go to grades 3 to 5, and you see Week 1. If you scroll down, you'll see this first page here that says Day 1. Now this is how you use it. Your first assignment is click on Nothing Can Stop Her. Now when you get here, you're going to scroll down. The first thing I want you to do is to click on Lower Level. Then I want you to click on Open Magazine, English View. Here you'll see it can read aloud for you, or you can read it yourself. If you need it to be bigger, click on the zoom button. You can zoom in and out. I want you to read the article. I want you to copy the words to know. And then I want you to click on Close Reading Questions and copy and write the answers to these 3 questions. That is your assignment. Remember, go to your Google Classroom, click on the link for Scholastic News Week 1, read the assignment, copy the words to know, answer these 3 questions. When you do that, take a picture and upload it to Class Dojo. If you have any questions, please message me on Class Dojo.